now. Wait, just wait now. Hold on. Hey! You see the missiles I have here. I want triangle. I want triangle. This one you're setting hand. Oh God. God prize. Hi! Oh! Hey, wait.
Oh, well. I can see. I can see both of you are having fun. With a pack of cards. Good. You. So, this is it. This is a thing you prefer to me. This is a disgusting thing you chose over me, right? I'm ashamed of you. I tell you what, I will frustrate you out of this palace. Can you imagine? Look at who you prefer to me. Such disgusting thing with a lot of gems all over his body. Huh? Hey you.
Sir?
Get out of this place.
My prince, but my name is Angus.
I don't care. Get out!
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
Come on, clear this place.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder, I see no ways. I doubt, at the royal Naru. So arrogant, so selfish.
I don't get it. How do you mean that you can't kill him?
You didn't hear me right. I didn't say so. I didn't say I can't kill, you know. The point I'm trying to make is this is not the right time. Like, not now.
Why?
Oh, well. He needs me to do something for him that will bring huge money to the palace. By the time the deal is done, the money is in the palace. And I'll kill him and then I'll be happy.
Oh, please. Don't even tell me this. In fact, don't come to my house again. Get out.
Babe.
Get out.
Hey, come on. Why are you asking me to go out?
Get out. I don't want to talk to you again. Get out. Leave. You know what you are doing. You know exactly what you are doing.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'll leave.
Leave. Leave my house. It's obvious you are playing games with me. What are we doing? God. What is happening?
Honestly, I'm surprised the way you spoke to our son. Are you encouraging him to marry that junkie that he's dating?
Well, I'm only being diplomatic here. I need that contract so badly. And if I push hard on him, he may not marry the person I want him to marry. Right? The best way to become a friend with a mad person is to convince him that he's not mad at all.
That's a good one. That's nice. And I'm happy he accepted. Honestly, I don't want him to marry that junkie. She's too wayward. And she's the reason our son is behaving the way he does. So you must not support him. Not at all.
When we get to the bridge, we'll cross it.
I like that.
You've been avoiding me. It's unfair.
I still couldn't stop blaming you and myself for stooping so low as to allow your brother treat me like a trash.
But I have apologized to you. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Please.
It's fine. It's okay. You said he has a girl?
Yeah. He has a girl that everyone in this house dislikes. I mean, she's a bad influence on him. I just wish you and my brother met earlier.
But you can still make that possible. Yes. I'm still very much ready and available if he wants me. Like now, I know how best to get his attention.
But I don't think it's going to be possible.
Nothing is impossible, my princess. Like I said, I'm still very much interested in the prince. All I want you to do is just allow me do what's on my mind.
Which is?
I wish she can understand. I need the money. Oh yes, father will definitely die, because I'll kill him. But I need those billions that is coming in. I don't know how to make her understand that I mean well.
My prince.
What are you doing here?
Someone is at the gate to see you.
So that gave you the reason to barge into my room. Huh? Huh?
I'm sorry.
Then get out. I said get out! Come on! Take your filthy feet out of my room. Rubbish. Lisa, what are you doing here? No, you know what my father would do to you if he sees you?
I need my gun back.
Shh! Please. What are you looking at?
I wanted to tell her she's disturbing the peace of the neighbors.
Come on, get out of that place. Lisa, please. Please, just reduce your voice, okay? I'll bring the gun to your house.
You do what?
I'll bring it to your house, please. You have to leave.
No need. I need it now and here.
Shh!
You are not. Listen to me. Don't bother coming to my house because you are no longer welcome there. Okay?
It's okay. I've heard you. I'll go get it.
Now.
Damn! You're so unpredictable.
Okay. You want me to shout? You want me to shout so that your parents will come out? Okay? Give me my gun! I need my gun! Give me my gun!
It's okay.
Here is your gun. He failed.
Then you know what must be done.
I know everything. I am ready for anything. Wait. Babe, just calm down. Calm down, okay? Okay. I am sorry. Okay? Sorry.
Wow. I hate disappointment. I hate it so much with passion.
I know. I'm sorry. He said that he has a plan. I believe him. Let's wait.
He has a plan.
Yes. Let's wait, please.
Fine. I will exercise a little patience. Very little. Little.
Thank you so much.
What are you doing in my room?
Are you directing that question to me? How dare you? What am I doing in this room? Have you forgotten that I'm the prince of this kingdom? And as such, I have the right to go anywhere I feel like going to. Any room I feel like entering, I have the right to enter it. Eh? How dare you?
I'm sorry.
Sorry for yourself. You better come downstairs and prepare my food.
You wanted to see me?
My princess, there's something bothering me.
What is it?
There's this girl that comes every time to see your brother. She looks very suspicious. Something tells me she's a bad person.
Who? You mean Lisa?
One girl like that. She has a small face. She carries different colors on her head. Eh? Something tells me she's a bad person.
Wait, that must be Lisa. But hey, do not make a caricature of God's creation.
No, but my princess, I have to say the truth.
I understand,
Hey,
but...
you need to see her. She smokes. Eh? She smokes more than Fela. She smokes more than Bob Marley himself.
I get you. I understand your points. But come on, what can I do? Eh? My brother is an adult, so you don't expect me to tell him what to
My
do.
princess, this is more than being an adult. All I need you to do is give me an instruction to stop her from coming into this compound.
Okay,
And
fine.
it will happen.
Fine. You have my permission. Do not allow her to enter here.
Fine. If I see that girl here, I'll cut off her fingers. But I'll tell them that you sent me to do it.
No! Don't do that. I said do not allow her in. Don't be violent about it, please.
So I should not let her in, but I shouldn't be violent.
100%.
I shouldn't cut off her fingers.
Please.
No problem. I won't cut off her fingers.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, hey baby. I know you must have missed me so much. How? That? I can actually help you come with that, you know. I'm good at it.
Who are you?
Who am I? Are you seriously asking me that? I know you are very funny, right? Well, baby, I have come to spend the rest of my life with you, finally. And of course, I have lots of goodies there to permanently take care of you as a good wife should, you know.
Young lady, I don't know who you are, and I don't know how you find yourself into my room. I don't know the demon inside you that gave you the guts to come inside here. But I advise you to leave. Leave now, before it becomes unsafe.
Well, baby, that is an unromantic way of welcoming a lady who is willing to sacrifice everything for you. Come on.
I hope you're ready to sacrifice your life. Because if you don't take yourself, your handbag and your luggage out of my room right now, I am going to strangle you to death. Out!
Well, babe, like I said, I brought a lot of...
I said get out! Fucking leave my room right now! Out! Out!
Okay, take it easy. I'm leaving. Hold on.
Take a look at this. This trash. That's supposed to be the trash can. Brought your filthy self into my room. Can you imagine?
Are you sure he didn't do anything in that room?
No, I checked. But I was so shocked seeing him there. Honestly.
Did he touch you?
No. No.
Okay, that's very good. Because that guy is very, very dangerous. He's very dangerous. Do you know he has a gun in this palace?
Eh? Hey!
Shout! His stupid girlfriend gave him a gun and came back to collect it. Yes.
I hope you have not mentioned this to anybody.
No. I tried to tell the sister, the princess, but I lost the courage to do that.
Thank God. Please, don't tell her. Don't tell anybody else. Biko. Yes, now.
Why?
You are the one that said now that he's very dangerous.
Yes.
If he hears that you told anyone, he will hurt you.
He will hurt me.
You know him very well.
I'm suspecting that
Hey.
he's a prince in the day and armed robber at night. Hey.
I'm scared though. Who knows what he's planning?
In that case, you have to lock your room. Lock your room at all times. At all times.
Okay.
He's a disgrace to the palace. Shame to the people.
Hey!
His girlfriend is a thief.
He's a disgrace to the palace. Shame to the
Can you calm down? Listen to me, Joy. I'm trying to explain to you. Yes, can you calm down? Fine. Well, my father has seen a bride for him already, and you don't have to stress about it.
I didn't expect your brother to turn down my request after sacrificing the last of my dignity as a woman to be here with him and allow him to do whatever he wishes with me.
No, that's not the wise thing to do, honestly. I mean, it's not even the best thing to do to get a man. Just take your time.
Lauren, I am 35 this year. 35 without a serious relationship.
Of course, I know. So am I. I mean, I'm also single.
Well, at least you are a princess, and soon so many suitors will be coming for your hand in marriage because of your status.
Do you know what? There's something you fail to understand. Self-love is so important. And your happiness should be your #1 priority. So take your time, it's okay. Okay? Don't stress about it. I know yours will come. Believe me, my friend.
So we have to be very, very fast. Always on time. You know, it's one of my priorities.
I'm almost done.
Okay. Huh?
Alright.
Where is my staff of office?
Your staff of office? What about it?
It's not here.
You have to check very well. Nobody came to this room since yesterday.
What do you mean nobody came? What is the meaning of this?
I'm sure you checked well.
What is it?
Angus, now I know why the prince was in my room. Now I know what he went to my room to do. Angus,
What did he go to do?
Angus, I am finished.
Finished? How?
Hey!
You need to talk to me so I can help you.
Okay. I went to my bag to bring her clothes to wash. Do you know what I saw inside my bag?
What did you see?
The king's staff. The king's staff right in my bag.
What? What?
Hey God, I am finished.
Where is it?
It's still in my bag. And you know the king has already started looking for it. Very soon that wicked boy will take him to my room and that will be it for me.
Oluchi, you need to go and get that staff.
What do you want to do with it?
You need to go and bring the staff.
What do you want to do with it? Angus, Biko. Let it not be what I'm thinking because I will not allow you to do it.
Listen to me. I need to return the staff so that nobody will think it was stolen. Yes. Go and bring it. Go and bring it.
Okay.
I am going to ask you for the last time. Where is my staff of office?
Your Majesty, I swear by the old gods and the new gods, even the gods that I don't know, I didn't take your staff. I did not.
Liar. Liar. That's who you are. Tell us. Are you not the only one cleaning His Majesty's room? Are you not?
Yes, I am. But I swear, I have never taken anything from him. Never. I have never taken anything. I have never stolen from him.
Oh, stop it. Now put a stop to those crocodile tears, okay? Just admit it. Admit you did it.
Jose, why? No, tell me. Why should she admit to what she did not do? Tell me!
I'm not talking to you. Please stay out of my way. Stay out of my way. Let me finish this investigation. Where are you? Oluchi or what you call yourself. I don't know. You go inside your room. Okay? I will follow you. Go in there, get your bag, we'll bring it here and stretch it in front of everyone. That's what we're going to do. Move.
Chigozie, you know you. What have you done?
What do you mean?
What have you done?
Do you think I'm like you? My friend, move. I want to investigate this matter. I will investigate this matter from top to bottom. Let's go. Top to bottom. Move.
I am going to skin her alive if at the end of my staff of office is still missing. That's what I'm going to do.
Oh yeah? Don't waste my time. Don't waste my time. Carry your bag. Carry your bag. Follow me. Today, Today, you will get your reward for choosing that animal over me. You are wasting my time, but carry your bag in. Let's go. He'll be deceiving you with his complexion. You choose him over me. Don't worry now. Come, let's leave. What is this? Why are you here?
Of course, I'm here to make sure you don't do something evil to the innocent girl. Oluchi, let's go to my parents and prove him wrong. Okay? Let's go.
Let's go. Let me see how you prove me wrong today. Let's go. Oh, let that bag go. Don't remove anything from that bag. I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. Will you move? Come on, come on, come on. Move. Move. Shift on me.
Open the bag.
Open the bag.
And bring out everything inside.
Don't take that thing off the table!
It can't be.
What do you mean it can't be? Can't you see? There's nothing in this bag and you are accusing her.
Why won't I accuse her? Why won't I? Is she not the only maid that has access to father's bedroom? Is she not the one cleaning father's bedroom in this palace? You better speak up. You better speak up. Where's the staff of office?
I can't believe that my staff of office is missing in this palace at my watch. Angus! Angus! Angus!
My king!
Where is my staff of office? I'm looking for it.
Sir?
I asked, where is my staff of office? Did you see it?
Stop pretending. Where is it? Where did you keep it?
Sir, I don't know what you're talking about, sir.
Get me your bag.
Sir?
I said, get me your bag! Get me your bag!
Go. See, I will follow him in case he wants to play a fast one. Go and show me your bag. Let's be going. Move! Look, I will deal with you. Go and show me your bag. We'll have to check his bag. We'll check your bag. Open the bag. Open the bag.
Open it.
Open it.
There's nothing in the bag, my king.
Go ahead and open it. Don't stress us. Aye! Oh, you have gentle over his body.
Oh, good.
Sir, let me get the key.
Get, this place is open. Open it!
Sir, he has a special keyboard. Don't worry, I'll just open it like that.
Take them off one by one.
Sir, there's nothing. It's just my bedsheet. It's just my bedsheet. There's nothing in the
Goze,
bag.
Yes, father.
take these filthy things out of the box.
Okay. Give it to me. It smells like shit.
Hey, be careful of that. That's my grandmother's cap.
If I slap you. Hey! Father! What is a female blouse doing in his box? It is obvious that he accommodates prostitutes at night.
What's your business?
Look at it.
Excuse me. Angus.
Father!
Oh, you see that? My staff of office?
Sir, I swear. Sir, I don't know how he got there.
You don't know how he got where?
No, I didn't put it there, sir.
Oh.
It's not me. It's not me, sir.
Are you saying what I'm saying? Now pack all these filthy things out of my palace.
My king. I have to say something very important. Maybe we need to ask the prince because I always see him at my duty post.
So my son does not have right to move around my palace.
My king, I didn't say he stole it. I said let us investigate him because you don't know who you have as a son, sir.
Are you crazy?
So I know what I'm saying, sir.
I said pack all these things out of my palace.
Father, it's obvious that this boy wants to take my position as the first from this family.
Get out of my
I used to see him. I used to see him around my duty post.
This boy is jealous of me.
Stop accusing my
Get
son.
all this.
Please, don't send him away. He doesn't have anywhere to go. I
Will
beg
you
him.
shut up and stand up for this place?
Pack all this things. Get out of my palace.
Son, you have to wash your hand after.
Get!
Where are gas?
I said get out of my palace. Out of my palace. Oh my goodness.
Son, go and wash your hand. Wash your hand.
I need soap.
You lied to me. Why?
I'm sorry. I did not have a choice.
You're sorry. How is that supposed to make me feel? Now you have lost your job for what? You promised.
I had to come up with something to tell you. I didn't want you to be afraid. I knew there was no other way out. I had to take the fall.
You should have allowed me. Honestly, nothing would have happened to me.
What do you mean by that? So you think this entire situation would have ended with you carrying your bag out? That wicked prince would have arrested you and locked you up in police cell. I know he planned all these things just to destroy you. I was trying to protect you.
You know, I've asked you this several times, and you haven't said anything. Tell me, why do you keep doing this? Why do you show me so much love and care? Why?
Oluchi, if you look into my heart, you know I mean well for you.
It's going to be so lonely in there without you. Let me just get my bags. Let me get my bags and follow you. Honestly.
Follow me to where? I don't even know where I'm going. I don't have a destination, so don't even think about it.
You don't even know where you're going.
Mba.
Yet you sacrificed your home and your job for me? Tell me, what did I do? What did I do to deserve you? What?
Oluchi, I am a man. If I go out there to hustle, I will survive. But you're a woman. If you follow me, you just die. You won't survive 1 minute. So I suggest you just go back inside before they begin to look for you. Just promise me you're not going to forget about me. That's all.
May I lose my life if I ever forget about you?
No. I didn't mean you lose your life. I just said you should promise me you'll not forget about me. Nobody is going to lose his or her life.
Okay. I'll never forget about you.
Come, let me hug you. Come. Stop crying. Stop crying. Come, let me hold you again. Sorry.
Stand there. I must have underestimated you a lot. I didn't know you're this wise. Very wise.
I don't understand.
Oh, well, you may pretend not to know what I'm talking about. But I must confess to you that I feel so happy. See that Gateman leave this palace. I'm very glad. I was the one standing between you and I, and every single thing I crave to get from you.
Prince Gozie, please, I beg you. I don't know what you want from me. But it's like you're forgetting that we're not in the same league. You should be rocking and bothering people in your own class, not me. So please, allow me to do the job I came here to do. Allow me to do my job, oh. Allow me to do my job, else I will be forced to go and report you to the king. I'll report you, oh.
Such impetus. Did I just hear you say you report me to the king? My own father. Bravo. I never knew. You didn't tell me you have pints of royal blood in you that qualifies you to stand before the king and report a royal prince like me, the heir to the throne. What are you waiting for? Her Majesty, go ahead. Report me.
My princess.
Be rest assured. I will get every single thing I want from you. Soonest.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder, oh, Asinobunweze, I doubt, Omumendieze, Adiroya Naru. So arrogant, so selfish, so disrespectful. Ọmakwa ife ọ na-eme ijiji anụrụ ndụmọdụ sozuana.
Oluchi, come. I want to ask you something, and I really need you to be honest with me. Why was my brother disappointed when he didn't find the staff in your bag? And why were you shocked in disappointment when they found the staff in the Gateman's bag?
My princess,
Listen. You don't have to lie to me. I'm on your side. Confide in me. Talk to me. I need to help you. Because I know something is going on here, but I can't place it. Okay? Talk to me. See me as your friend. What is going on?
Okay, my princess, I'll tell you the truth.
Go ahead.
I first discovered the stuff in my bag when the prince went into my room in my absence.
What?
Yes, I saw him coming out of my room. At first, I didn't think anything about it until I went to get something from my bag and I saw the stuff there.
You mean Goze went into your room in your absence? What's going on?
So, I expected you to have gone to Umuleru Kingdom to meet with the princess. Of course, you know her father is expecting you to see how serious you are to take his daughter to the altar.
I'd rather invite her over, Dad.
Oh, come on, son. You're no longer a kid. You know how these things work. You are supposed to go over there, get acquainted with her first, before inviting her over.
Yes, son. Please, do not disappoint us.
Why should I? Mother, tell me, why should I? Has she ever seen a man this handsome all her life? She should be the one begging me for marriage.
Well, don't go and start demanding for sex on the first date. You know you can't control yourself around women.
Oh, stop. Stop.
Dad, what are you saying? Are you trying to pet him or what?
He's your brother. You're not supposed to talk to him like that. He's a prince.
No, Dad, you can't be petting him because of what you want him to do for you. He knows that I know what I'm saying.
Will you shut up, Lauren? Listen to your father.
Let her talk. She knows how to talk, so let her talk. Let her keep spewing rubbish, nonsense from her mouth.
Oh, that's enough, son. I hope you are considering what I've just asked.
Yeah, Father, I will do as you have said.
Dad, please excuse me.
Oh, quite excuse. What's my son? What about phone call first before driving there?
I'll think about that.
I can't believe this is you. Hey, God. Hey. You know, I've been so worried about you. I've been so worried. So tell me, what is going on with you? What have you been doing?
Oluchi, it has not been easy.
It
has been very hard.
Hi.
Life is hard. But guess what? God helped me. I was able to find a place. I have even established a business for myself.
Hey! That is good, though. That is good. I said it. See, I've always said it that God will never be man and will never act like a man. Your own business. Hey, this is good, though.
Wait, enough about me. Tell me about you. What has been happening? Wait. I hope that stupid prince has not been touching you.
Maybe Ekwano. No, but he has been making attempts. He hasn't stopped making attempts. But trust me, I am smarter than him. I have more sense than him, and I am more clever. So, by the time he finds out, it's very late. Don't mind him.
I trust you. I've missed you.
Me? No, I miss you back. So, why don't you take me to your place? I mean, let me see where you live and also see your business. You understand? No.
Are you sure you want to follow me there?
Why not?
What about, wouldn't they be looking for you?
Leave those people. They can do anything they want for all I care. The only important thing to me right now is you. I want you to take me to your place. I want to see everything with my 2 eyes. The highest thing that will happen is if I come back, the queen will slap me as usual. My cheeks are now used to her hands.
She will not slap you.
Let's go. Hey, I'm so happy to see you. Hey, see, I love this your new business. And you're doing well. You already have customers.
I make a lot of money from this business, but it's a secret. Nobody knows.
But the way I'm seeing this thing, very soon, you will get to your next level.
Amen. Oh, amen.
Sorry.
Very soon I'll take you back to the palace. I want to escort you myself to ensure that you are safe, because I don't trust that prince.
It's okay. You know, I've been meaning to ask you. I didn't know how to ask you in the palace because I didn't want you to feel bad or embarrassed. But now that we're out of the palace, I want to know why do you always scratch? What's the problem?
My sister, I don't know. I'm tired. My body just started itching me all of a sudden. I don't know. Maybe I'm reacting to something. I don't know.
Have you seen a doctor? Or don't
Doctor?
you think? Yes, it's time to see a doctor.
I don't have
now.
money to go to the hospital.
Okay.
But maybe I've never been to the hospital before.
Don't worry about it. You know what? I have this friend that deals in herbal medicine. I'll give you his number. Go and see him. You know, most times things like this, herbal medicine will just cure it one time.
Herbal medicine?
Yes. You say that they give you the one to drink or the one you just rub it and
rub it on my body, I think I prefer the herbal medicine because I'm scared of injections.
Oh! It's okay.
Hey, hold on. Let me give you.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
It's obvious this stupid girl is in love with that bastard. But how can she prefer nobody to a prince? I still can't believe this. Upon all my money and promises to her, yet this idiot prefers a commoner. How do I deal with her? What do I do to her that will forever hurt her? How do I have access to that very thing she's been keeping away from me? Oh no, this girl has insulted and humiliated me a lot for me to remain calm about this whole thing. I must have her. I must.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder,
I was denied total access to the princess.
What? Did you tell them that you're a prince from this kingdom?
I did, Father. It didn't change a thing. I had to live in anger.
But you would have insisted on seeing the king.
Mother, it seems to me you don't understand what I'm trying to say. I was denied total access into the palace. It was so embarrassing. I had to scream at them. That reminds me, Father. Come. You see this fool? Father, would you believe I saw this fool with the criminal Gateman outside the gate?
What? You did what? After I warned that criminal not to show up here?
Wait. What were you discussing with him? What? With that criminal? Were you planning on stealing another thing from this palace with him?
No.
Then why? What gave you the guts, the impetus to allow him in and discuss something with him? Why? Okay, you don't know what. I'll deal with you today. Come on! Get up! Oh yeah! I'll deal with you. What is all this? Eh?
Hey, I've missed you. How have you been?
What is going on here?
Hey!
You? Who is that? What are you doing here?
My queen, good afternoon.
What are you coming to do here? What is your problem? So, after all you did, You have the impetus, the audacity, the guts to come to my palace without any fear. Eh?
I came to give her an important message.
What important message are you talking about? Have you no fears?
I'm sorry, my queen. I came to give her an important message. Her auntie is very sick.
What message?
Her auntie is sick.
So after all you did here, you have the effort to come here again.
I'm sorry, my queen.
You are sorry. If I see you here next time again,
I'm sorry, my queen.
I will get you arrested. Not only getting you arrested, but I will make sure I behead you.
I'm sorry.
Get out!
Sorry, my queen. Please, leave me to you at the hospital.
Get out! And you have grown wings. Okay? You feel you are the queen in this palace. Okay? You now welcome whomsoever you feel like welcoming. You open my gate for strangers, total strangers. Someone that stole from this palace. Don't you have fears? Are you crazy? Are you insane? Are you foolish? Will I get out of here? I will deal with you. I will deal with you personally. Stupid idiot. Just look at
Who is down today? Maybe up tomorrow.
I will deal with you.
The wickedness is much, intimidation is much. Kedonko meredima. Ogbenye taa nwekwara ike ịbụ ọgaranya echi. Mara mara, mara mara.
Can I call you back?
I believe I have warned you several times to stay away from my brother with your bad influence.
It's your brother that has refused to leave me alone.
Lisa, I gave you money. Enough money to make you stay in this town. What did you do with it?
I told your brother about it. And he warned me.
Told my brother about it. Fine. Where's my money? What money are you talking about? Sir, do not make me repeat myself. You know what I can do, right? You know what I can do? Do not make me repeat myself. Where is my money? Well, there is no money. I don't have money.
Oh no, my son was denied access into the palace even when he mentioned his name to the guards at the gate.
Impossible, my king. How come? Oh, did he dress properly as in his royal attire?
Oh no, what are you talking about? I kept a dossier on him before he went to the palace.
Then I'll have to go to that place myself and see what is going on.
No need, I have a better idea.
Which is?
So, I have decided that we are both going to the palace to see the princess. Yes.
Are you going with him?
Of course.
What?
Igwe Nadozie is my friend and a business ally. So I believe that my presence there will demystify the mysteries behind his first denial.
What? Wait. Dad, you mean you want to accompany him on a first date? If they didn't allow him in, it simply means they don't see or detect royalty in him from the way he presented himself.
Stop. I do not want to hear all of that now. Stop.
You can't belittle yourself.
Father, I'll do as you have said. But this time around, on one condition.
Huh? What condition?
I'll talk to you about it in private.
Huh. You have my permission.
My queen, do you want me to do anything for you?
What business do you have with my son?
I don't have any business with your son, ma.
You don't have any business with my son. Are you using charm on him?
Charm? My queen, I have never used such in my life. Never.
Now listen. If I find out that you are using any charm on my son, I'll skin you alive before burning you. It's not just a threat. I mean every word.
Be nice for once. Who is down today? Maybe out tomorrow. Ooh. The wickedness is much.
What? You mean he told you that? He said that to you? And what did you say?
Calm down. I know the web I'm spinning. Ordinarily, I would have dealt with him by ever mentioning that to me. But he's using the advantage of the demands he's making for me and my own demands to request what he's requesting for. Okay?
How could you? You mean to tell me that you accepted for him to sleep with that pig? Huh? Tomorrow now you will say that I'm the one spoiling him. Now, what happened? Why are you giving him so much leverage? Why? Why would you condescend so low to allow him to do that? Hey, my king, I did not expect this from you, honestly.
Listen to me. I will not go back to my vomit.
Huh?
A tit for tat, remember? 50 billion naira is worth the trouble.
My lord, honestly, I don't like this. This is it's why it's unlike you. Eh? You are giving him the leverage more. Oh.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
What are you doing? Huh? You know Dad is gonna send you out of his palace if he walks in here and see you like this. You know, right?
Well, it's too late. I'm not Dad's favorite. So tell me, why are you here, you unfortunate royalty?
What makes you think you're not the unfortunate one here? Huh? Well, I came to inform you that I know where your useless, dirty, stinking, junkie of a girlfriend lives now. Of course I have her location, and I will not hesitate to give it to Father, to send his men after her. You know me. You know what I can do. Huh?
Oh well. Is that the reason you're here?
Of course, that's why I'm here.
Interesting. But you know what? You're dumb. I don't know when you became so unintelligent and dumb.
Me?
Yes. I thought you have a retentive memory. To remind you that I just said I am now Dad's favorite. And you know what that means?
I don't care.
What makes you think he will do something to anger me? Why? What makes you think so? And by the way, tell me. You're my sister. Let's do it this way. What can I give you in return? Or what do you want in return? In order for you not to reveal Lisa's address to Dad.
Leave that poor innocent girl alone. Go out there and look for your match.
My sister. My darling sister. You're so easy to predict. I knew it. I knew you were going to say that. Good girl. But you know what? You are the biggest fool I have ever seen. Because I am never gonna do that. I will sleep with her. I will sleep with her. Again, and over again. There's nothing you can do about it.
Of course you're shameless.
That is fine now.
You're a he-goat. That's what you are. You stink. I don't blame you.
Get out.
Dirty thing.
He's a disgrace to the palace.
Out of my room!
Get out!
Get out!
Stupid ass!
Rubbish! Look at you! Huh? Look at you! You don't fit royalty. Royalty doesn't fit you. Yeah, you said you're my sister. So they said anyway. Don't worry. We'll send back on a DNA test and we'll know what's who in this house. She says I stink. Do I really stink?
What are you doing?
I'm sweeping, but I can leave it if you want me to.
No, drop it. I need you to leave now.
I don't understand. Why?
You are in danger. Yes, my brother is planning evil towards you. And this time around, I might not be able to help you. So I need you to leave.
What?
Yes, now. Please. I don't want you hurt. Okay? You have to go. You have to go. Please. Drop whatever you're doing. Let's go.
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people. Imagine a prince making errors. I wonder, I say no bumweze. I doubt, omumendieze at the royal Naru. So arrogant.
Yes, I'm by the junction. Yes, that one by the main road. Okay.
Hey, Oluchi. Are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine.
What happened?
The princess sneaked me out of the palace. She said she got wind that the prince was planning to rape me this night. So I'm telling you, so she had to take me out.
The prince was planning to rape you?
In Anokwa.
Hey! Something bad is going to happen to that prince. Mark my words. Hey!
And that princess is a very good girl.
She is. Eziokwu. She's very nice. She's very nice. But you see that prince, eh? He's heartless. He has a black heart.
Let's go.
Thank you for coming.
I came as soon as I heard. Let's go.
I can't believe this. Mother, I can't believe this. She's overstepping her boundary. Who gave you the authority to ask her to leave? How dare you? Even the queen has not said that. You ask her to leave? And a maiden in this palace that is supposed to be doing all the chores for the queen, you ask her to leave. How dare you?
Chigozie, tell us why you're looking for Oluchi. Tell us why you are looking for Oluchi.
Oh, I can't take this anymore. I can't take it.
Gozie, lay a finger on her and regret the rest of your life. How dare you? How dare you try to do such before us? Gozie, where is your sense of respect? Where is it?
Okay.
I'm sorry, Mother.
And who are we even discussing about here? A common slave? A commoner? A dairy pig? I mean, is she worth it? Our time and our attention? Snap off of this madness, Gozie, and forget about her. She's not worth it. You are giving her much attention.
Jose, your mother is right. So I expect you to be your best behavior, right? The little girl is not worth your attention.
What?
Right? But I will set a search party so they will go in search of her and bring her to the palace. I hope this is clear.
Oh my God. Dad, you disappoint me.
What?
Honestly, is it because of the contract of a thing that made you stoop so low to allow your son to speak to you in that manner?
Laurie, now get out of my sight. I said, get out! Who are you to talk to me in that manner? I said, out! I am talking to you!
Lauren, listen to your father.
If you don't leave my sight right now, you'll be responsible for what will happen to you. Out! What is all this? When did she come to this height of being a very stupid person before me? Now listen, warn her. The next time she will do this again, I will deal with her.
She's going through a lot.
Hey, come in. Ha! Welcome home. This is my mansion. Welcome to my mansion. This is where I stay.
I'm so proud of you. I mean, the place is nice.
Nice.
Yes.
You're so proud of me.
What's wrong with it? The place is okay.
Oluchi, wait until you see the big rats under this bed.
But you know, I'll never mind things like that, honestly.
Anyways.
Thank you.
Sit down.
Thank you for providing a roof over my head, honestly. I'm so grateful.
You are still thanking me.
Of course.
I wish I can do more. Sit down.
You know, I have been thinking, instead of you to always go out and buy roadside food, I can create a space here. Turn it into a kitchen and be cooking. At least you know what you're eating.
Space?
Yes. The place is okay. It's big enough.
In the wardrobe?
No, forget that thing. See, this place is big enough. Trust me, by the time I create space, you yourself, you'll be shouting. I'll create a space and I'll be cooking. So at least you'll be sure of what you're eating.
Let me see.
You're not well. Please leave me alone.
Should we create a space in the wardrobe?
No, it's dangerous. That's wood and fire. Don't worry yourself. I'm the one that said I will create it. When I create it, you will see.
Come, let me show you the bathroom. Come.
Oh, you even have a bathroom?
No.
I even thought I'll be bathing outside. You're saying the place is not fine. This is fine, Biko. I like it.
My 3-bedroom flat. Hi! See my TV. Hey! Welcome home.
Thank you very much.
Hey. Let me fold all these clothes and create space for kitchen.
You are not taking my calls.
I've been busy.
You have been busy. Too busy for me.
Hey, please. Don't start, okay? Why are you saying this? I have family issues to sort out. And you still want me to be at your beck and call? Do you?
I could barely recognize you recently. By the way you treat me. I want to ask you something.
I'm all ears.
Are you seeing someone?
Lisa, that's a silly question you just asked. Yeah. As busy as I am, do I have time to see anyone? I already told you what my father requested of me. And you still want me to give you 100% attention? Who does that?
So you're not interested again? You know what? Just leave my house.
Say what?
You heard me. Leave my house.
It's okay.
I am talking to you. It's fine. You want to live like that? It's okay. I'm sorry. Can we go back? I didn't mean it that way. I am doing everything because of us. Because I love you. I'm so sorry. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Are you tired?
No, me? For where? I noticed something.
Hmm?
I noticed something.
What?
You no longer scratch the way you used to scratch before. Eh?
Okay, so I did what you asked me to do.
Oh.
I told a friend of mine to get me that particular herbal drug. After taking it, I got better. He said the woman said that I'm reacting to something.
Oh, you have allergy.
Yes, I'm reacting to something.
Hey, yeah? Thank God, though.
I'm fine.
Thank God, though.
No, thank you.
Thank God. At least I hear food.
Yes.
One problem.
It was very, very embarrassing. Hey.
I used to pity you because I know you must be feeling bad then.
I feel better now. I feel better. I have to turn to water and get it.
So how did it go?
Well, Igwe Farmer, in his usual way, gave us a grand reception. Just that the princess was not there when we got there.
I don't get it.
My father said that she went to oversee for a special case. I must be back by December.
Oh, which means our son will not meet her until December?
Yes, and the contract will not be given away until her returns.
Father, I'm wondering. I mean, is there no other way you can convince your friends to award you the contract? Other than me befriending his daughter?
Son, I wish there is other way. But the only way is you getting married to the princess. And we must keep up with the plan until we succeed.
It is very obvious that the prince sent them in search of me.
Mm-hmm.
Hey.
I was more than surprised when I saw the guards. That was when I knew that they came for a mission.
So what do we do? Should we run away or, just leave town?
No, you're not going anywhere.
But I am a wanted person, can't you see? I need to leave.
In that case, if you're leaving, I have to leave with you.
We shouldn't do that. I mean, you don't have to.
But you don't have anywhere to go now. Do you have anywhere to go? No. You see what I'm saying?
Hey.
Wait, I have an idea. You stay in this house. You will not come out while I go out and hustle.
What if they find you?
No, now they cannot find me now. I'll deny that I've not seen you.
Hey. I'm so scared.
What are you scared about? Listen, you stay in this house, I'll go out and hustle. I'll come back. Nobody knows you're here. When I go out, I'll pretend as if I've not seen you. Even if they come to me and ask about you, I'll say, I've not seen you. It's been a while I saw you. They will not harass me because I said I've not seen you. Okay. But I want to always protect you.
Just promise you always be there.
But Oluchi, I will always protect you. You know that. I'll protect you with my last breath.
You fools! What do you mean you can't find her? Tell me! Huh? Where did you search in this kingdom?
It seems she left my prince.
She hasn't. I am very sure she's still in this community. You haven't done your job well. What do you mean? We all know she's an orphan. That simply means she has nowhere to run to. So go out there and look for her. Bring her to this palace.
My prince, we have searched the whole of this town and she's nowhere to be found.
Will you shut up? You haven't searched enough. You haven't. Now I'll tell you what. If you cannot execute this simple task, I will have both of you punished. Maybe that's what you want. Now, out of my sight, she must be found and brought to this palace.
Yes, my prince.
Right now! Don't you ever get back here if you don't find her. Rubbish!
He's a disgrace to the palace, shame to the people.
Oluchi, please can you pass me one of the pillows?
You know you don't have to sleep there. In fact, I should be the one sleeping on the floor, not you.
No.
Yes, now, since you don't want to sleep here, let me come and sleep on the floor so you can have your bed.
Oluchi, stay on the bed. You need the bed more than me. I'm fine on the floor.
So why can't we both sleep on the same bed?
Oluchi, that question is inconsequential. If you need an answer, I'll tell you tomorrow.
You think I don't know? Think I don't know why you're dodging? See, I've told you. I trust you with my life. And anytime you're around me, I don't have anything to worry about.
Oluchi, thank you for trusting me. I appreciate your trust. But the truth is, it is wrong for a man to lie on the same bed with a woman that is not his wife.
But brothers and sisters lie on the same bed.
Oluchi, you are not my sister. I am sorry now. Sorry, let me lie down.
Hey!
Are you happy now?
Your kind is so rare, honestly. Okay, let's pray before we sleep. And please, don't tell me you sleep without removing that cap.
Oluchi, which cap?
The one on your head.
This cap? Oluchi, forget about this cap. Oh, because I didn't introduce myself to you properly. Eh? You don't know I'm a chief in my village. This cap is a representation of the Igbo tribe.
Okay. So chiefs in your village, they don't remove cap when they want to sleep.
Forget about this cap. Sleep.
Okay, that means you want to go to meeting in your dream.
No. Just leave this cap. Leave it.
Okay, sir. Ngwanu, let's pray before we sleep. Ngwa. Chiefs don't say amen.
Amen. Oluchi, what is it? Are you trying to bite my neck?
No, I was trying to kiss you.
Huh? You're trying to kiss me?
Yes.
Oluchi, you kiss people when they are asleep?
What is wrong with it?
You just scared me. What's wrong?
I just want us to be together.
Well, Oluchi, I'm here with you now.
I want to make love to you.
You want to? Ha! What do you mean by that? Oluchi? Oluchi, you just scared me now. I thought you tried to bite off my neck. Oluchi, talk to me now. What do you mean by that? Let's wait for the right time now. You can't be doing this now. Eh? Oluchi. Oluchi. Oluchi.
Oh no. I am on the verge of losing this contract. Do something and do it fast. I am losing this contract.
Sadly, my king.
Greeting, Your Highness. Greeting, no.
Thank you very much. Honestly, I don't think there's anything I can do about this.
Oh no. Why would you say that? You will gain a lot in this contract if I succeed. Pull some strings, make inquiries, ask questions. I don't want to lose the contract.
I understand, my king. I'll try my best. I will actually try my best. But I don't see any good thing coming out of it, but I will try.
Oh no. Do you know how many times I toss around at night before I finally lay my head to sleep? I wish there are other ways I can pull through to the contract without the king's daughter. I would have done that. I do not want to lose this contract. I want you to go home, make some calls, and then call me and tell me you've come up with something. That's what I want to hear.
My king, I'll try my best.
I will need a call from you today. Tell me you've come up with something.
I'll try my best.
Okay.
I'll try my best.
I'll be waiting.
Oluchi, what are you doing here when you're supposed to be inside? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for what I said. I promise it won't happen again.
You don't have to say sorry for doing nothing. I actually feel terrible and ashamed for asking you something I know I would have rejected if you had made the request. I should be the one saying sorry.
Oluchi, I'm really sorry for making you feel this way. The truth is, I promised to make the request when the right time comes. How would you feel if I try to do all these things now in this condition? Wouldn't you think I'm trying to take advantage of you?
I understand. That's why you're different. So different that sometimes I wonder if you are truly from this planet, honestly.
I'm not from this planet, though. I fell from the sky. Were you not told? I'm sorry. Let's go inside and make something to eat. Sorry. See, you don't tie the bed sheet.
What's up, Dejo?
It's on hold till December.
But it's too far.
Yeah, I know. The so-called princess traveled out of the country. She won't be back till December. That's what the royal home said.
But we have plans.
Yeah, I know. My father dies after the contract and not before.
But
Hey, come on, baby. Stop it. I already told you we have a plan, okay? Stick to that. I know what I'm doing.
I want to tell you something.
I'm all ears. Go ahead.
I owe your sister some money.
My sister.
Yes, your sister.
How?
What is it?
No salt.
No salt? Who prepared this?
The new chef.
Call her for me.
Sure.
See why? I was never in support of sending the other chef away because I know she's a good chef.
She's not the only one that knows how to cook. We have other chefs. I can get another one.
No, there's no need for that. I mean, I know how to cook. I can do the cooking for us.
That's no, you're a princess. Have you forgotten?
Father, come on. That's just the title. My mom raised me very well. I can cook. So let me be the one cooking for the house. It's not a big deal. Moreover, I love to cook.
Nonsense.
Hey.
Ogini, what is it?
Hey.
Huh? Ogini.
Local government people. They've been arresting roadside business owners. I had to run away before they catch up with me.
Local government people.
Uh-huh.
Local government.
Some of the challenges we're facing. Sometimes tax collectors. Sometimes waste management. Sometimes association of counselors. If you don't pay, they'll seize your business items.
Hey, so this is how you have been dodging them since?
No.
Hey, what about your con?
Huh?
Your con?
It's safe, it's safe. It's safe. No work today, I'll go back tomorrow to start again.
It's okay. It's okay. Just go in and rest, eh? Let me quickly get your food for you.
Okay. How are you? You are fine?
Yes, I'm fine.
Hey.
How mysterious life is. Have you seen how funny life could be? When you think you have arrived and don't know what tomorrow holds, it can land you in a place of regret. Have you seen how mysterious life is? Have you seen how funny life could be? When you think you have arrived and don't know what tomorrow holds, it could land you in a place of regret. Life has many plot twists, and the choices that you make determines how it turns out for you. Life has many plot twists, and the choices that you make determines how it turns out for you.
What? What are you doing here? How dare you show your face in my palace? Mom! What is she doing here?
It's okay, Lauren. Calm down, okay? Son?
Yes, ma'am.
What is going on?
Greetings, Father. Good mother. Stand beside me is this very gorgeous looking lady. She goes by the name Lisa. I know you already know. Yeah. I brought her here to reintroduce her to both of you, my lovely parents. That she is the woman after my heart. Not just that. To also let you know that I have made up my mind to spend the rest of my life with this beauty.
Please sit down. Sit down.
What? Dad, you can't! What's going on? What?
You're welcome, Lisa. Son. Yes, sir. You may as well give her the best of treatment. It's all yours to do that.
Thank you, Father. Thank you so much. You heard the king.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
Oh, well, I have been directed by the king, His Majesty of this kingdom, to give you a special treat. So, what are we waiting for? Damn.
He's a disgrace to the palace.
Really?
Shame to the people.
Honestly,
Lauren!
No, Dad, you can't tell me you don't know the influence this guy has on your son. I'm disappointed in you, honestly.
Won't you give your brother
Babe, I made something special for Mommy and Daddy. And I am sure you like it. Oh, this looks so nice. Baby, you like it.
What? What's the
I
meaning
know
of
you're
this?
going to like it. Take
is the meaning of this? So I can have a decent food in my own house. Is this all I will be getting from the woman you're craving for? Where did you pick her in the first place? What is the meaning of this? I don't get it.
Mommy, it's very tasty. Just, you have to test it before,
Look at-
Mommy.
What is the meaning of this?
Mommy.
Is this how they chop tomatoes and onion? As big as this?
Mommy, test it. It's very nice.
Test what? Hey! Well, I should test it. Okay, you test it.
You want me to test it?
Yes,
first?
test it. No, carry the big onion.
Mommy, it's very nice.